I'm back. Hey everybody, Sharpe 3D here. Today we are shaving with the 90-second shave with Daniele Maullu, and we'll get into it right after this. All right, I know it's been a long time since I've done a video, uh, so I've had a couple people tell me they'd like to see me come back, so I may do one every now and then. But today we're going to do a kind of a promo video and a shave. Uh, like I said in the intro, we're doing Daniele Maullu, 90-second shave, and this is what I've gotten in so far on a 90-second, on 92 shaves. I mean, I've been working on it. I've been working on this since February 1st. So that's what I've been dealing with. All right. The razor choice today is my Maxwell June with a Personna Gem Blade, DE blade, of course, soap and splash, and I'm using the Vortex Bowl and the Vortex brush. And I'm going to kind of show how it works. And what's cool about this is it's interchangeable knots. I mean, of course, you have to set the knot in the three little collards that comes with it, but you just put it in there, and it's in there. It's got an interlocking system. See a little interlocking system right there, and you just put it in there and lock it in there. And what's cool is like when you travel, you can actually put a soap in the very bottom. Kind of neat concept. So kind of nervous. I haven't done this in a long time. And of course, my stupid hat. Love this hat. This is a cowboy snapback. They're out of Edmond, Oklahoma. So, and if you'd like to get one, I have a link in the description, and you can save 15% by using my code. And they have all kinds of stuff. You can get custom made ones. You can get all kinds of stuff. They've got some that's funny. This is bad day to be a beer, but it's really cool. Anyways, we're gonna get into the shave right after this. All right, we're back. Now, when I say I've been doing the shave, I've been actually keeping track of my shaves. I got little hash marks. I did the little deal where it scribbled to see if my pen worked. I've been actually keeping tabs of how many shaves I've been doing with Daniele Maullu. Uh, so this is my 90-second shave. Uh, I went ahead and made a lather, preloaded the brush, and then I put it into the bowl and made a lather, and that's what we got so far. Uh, it's pretty good bowl, nice design. As you can tell, it's pretty wicked. I mean, honestly, uh, something I wanted to do. I come up with the design and sent it to uh, a professional designer or professional CAD person, and we kind of collaborated together. And this is what we came up with: the Sharpe 3D line, the Vortex line. So that's uh, that's what's going on right now. Anywho, I'm gonna wet the face. You know what? I'm gonna take this hat off. All right, wet the face. I mean, I'm kind of proud of it. Something totally different than I've ever done. But it's something neat. I really do enjoy 3D printing. I enjoy wet shaving. I mean, it built a good lather. And you know Daniele Maullu, or and this is the legacy base. You know what, Ariana Evans, they do an amazing job. So, all right. I'm going to go on the first pass with the grain. And you can tell I'm getting gray. Yeah, it's been a while since I've done a video. And I know it's going to be boring watching the same soap, but it's something that I wanted to do. Uh, in December, I did a dedication December. I used the same razor, same brush, and same soap for the entire month of December. So I was like, you know, what the hell? I've been on a mission since February 1st, and this is, I mean, 92 shades, and that you've seen how much I've done so far. I'm guessing over 200. So that a fellow YouTuber, Larry Sablotny, Larry Shaves, he keeps on me. He goes, "Man, I miss your videos. You need to get back in doing videos." I was like, "Yeah, that love's kind of lost, you know. Uh, People don't like other people that go to the beat of their own drum." So I decided to kind of take a break for a long time and not do videos anymore. So, anywho, that's where we're at now. And I've been dealing with a lot of personal uh, issues. So, but anyways, that's another deal. All right. First pass down, rinsed, and I'll be right back with the second pass. We're back. Get a sip of my coffee. I'm not a Black Rifle fan, but I thought the cup was really cool. This is actually some coffee I bought when I went down to the Texas meetup. This is HEB's Costa Rican. It's amazing flavor. Anyways, let's get into the second pass. This pass, we're going to go across the grain. I mean, it's still a bunch of lather. This brush is lightweight. Of course, it's 3D printed. It's hollow in the middle, but you can actually put a soap sample. Like if you're traveling, you can actually put a soap sample in the bottom. In the bottom, just and anyways, when you buy a brush or a stand or anything from my Etsy store, which I'll have a link below, uh, I will either send you a sample of a Cajun blade or Soap Palooza. So your first shave's on me. All right. I mean, I thought pretty good coverage, and we're going to go across the grain. And I've noticed something. A good friend of mine, Shamrock Shaving, Daniel Mahoney, he straight razor shaves. So I was watching him shave the other day on Instagram, and I noticed he's tightening the skin up. And I don't get a very good shave right here in my around my jawline and stuff, and I don't get very good uh, very good close shave there. So I was like, why don't I start tightening my skin? So I've been tightening my skin here lately. And like I said, I've always had trouble in my neck area. So I always do it at an angle like this. It's kind of, I'm gonna try not to cut myself. All right, we're gonna rinse and we'll be back and we'll do the post shave. Be right back. All right, we're back. Okay, we're gonna go in with the Allen block. Uh, I really don't think I need to use it, but I'm going to see how close of a shave I got. And this is a telltale. I mean, you use one of these, and this is a Parker giant freaking Allen block. You got to get one of these. Anyways, and me, I don't like. I just use my sprayer. You can get these sprayers anywhere. You don't have to get them at a certain spot. Uh, but anyways, you just rub it over your face like so. Get you a good coat on there. It's pretty close. Got a little stinging, not much. All right, I always rinse mine off, dry it off. To me, it does it just it's something I do. I guess it's the OCD in me and everything. And by the way, I'm rebuilding my uh, sticker board. So got some gaps, took some off, you know. Anyways, I got some gaps, and I'm gonna refill them. Uh, had a blast at the Texas Wet Shaving Meetup. Uh, gotta go. If you haven't been to the Texas Wet Shavers Meetup, you got to go next year. It's the first weekend in June. So it's at the Kalahari. Man, we had so much fun. Got to meet some really cool people and uh, got to meet Soap Spoon Andy. This thing is so cool. Uh, but I like the face lather. So, but I bought one because my kids like the tub lather. I was like, y'all got to try this out. Anywho, uh, I'm gonna take this Allen block off, and then we'll be back with the post shave. We'll be right back. I'm back. All right. I'm gonna give you a little rundown. This is the like I said, I think this is the 26 millimeter. I just got this from Banyulace and just some knots. And what's cool is you just click it, and these come and the little inserts come in at 24, 26, and 28. And then, like if you want to do a 28, just pop it in there, twist it, and it's in there. See, I mean, it's a neat little concept. Uh, so I've been trying. This is something I've been working on. I mean, it's just boom, boom, boom. Just change it out. Uh, and there is a little rubber gasket there that stays in there. It needs to stay in there because that's where you get your attention for the knot to stay in there. Anywho, enough of that. All right, if y'all seen my little teasers on Instagram, I am doing a 250th edition Vortex line. I'm not doing the total line. I know right now I'm doing a bowl, and I haven't done anything uh, like this. And what's cool about it is I was actually born in 1976, the bicentennial. So I was like, go big or go home. So I decided to go in and do the 250th anniversary of America's independence. So with that, I decided that I'm going to do this is kind of cool. I decided to do a leather of authenticity. It's really cool, and I will sign it down here at the bottom. Each, there will only be 3 bowls in 3 different colorways. There'll be a red bowl with blue and white. There'll be a white bowl with red and blue, and there will be a blue bowl with white and red. And there will be a matching letter of authenticity folder with it. And it also comes with a full size Sharpe 3D thank you letter. So something new, something different. Uh, I like, I'm very patriotic, so that's where I'm at. Anywho, I'm going to go in and put the splash, as always. Got to have the matching splash. And I've got a pretty good little dent in that. So. Love the burn. All right. So, anywho, let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think about the Vortex line. If you have any questions, let me know. Once again, if you want one of these ridiculous hats, which and it's cool. I mean, it's cowboy snapback. What's cool about it is it's got the top of a ball cap. I mean, it's even got a snapback. I mean, it's really cool. Uh, Great for mowing. Great for being ridiculous. And like I said, if you'd like one, hit the link in the description. 15% discount. Use Sharpe 3D, and I will put it up on the screen here. And as always, stay sharp, stay shaving, and we'll see you on the next one. Y'all have a good day.